Hi, Lauren. I'm going to show you how to find the BBC television listings for the assignment in Unit 1, Activity 1. So there's two ways to get to it. You can go through the announcements. So if you're looking at the Unit 1, Activity 1 announcement, you can see a link right here. It says Unit 1, Activity 1 is open. So if you click on that link, it'll take you into the Unit 1 Activity 1 content page. So hopefully you've already gone through all of the content and all of the practice. This is the lesson for Unit 1 Activity 1. And then when you get to the bottom, it'll say you have now completed the content page. Click on the assignment link at the top or bottom of this web page. So you can click here on the assignment button right here, or you can click here on the assignment button right here, and it will take you to the Unit 1 Activity 1 assignments, and you'll see a video here explaining the assignments, and then you'll see assignment number 1, scanning TV listings, and here are the TV listings, and here are the questions. So when you answer these questions, you need to use these TV listings. You can also find the assignment pages by going through the content. And so if I click on content, I can then click on Unit 1, and I can click Activity 1, and it will always take me to the content first, because that's what I want you to do first, is the lesson, is the content. But then you can also click on the assignment, and again you can see the TV listings. I hope that helps. I think what sometimes students accidentally do is they go through the assignment page to try to find the assignments, but this isn't taking you to the assignment pages. This is taking you to the drop boxes where you submit your assignments. So, for example, if you click here, you can see the questions, but this is not the completed assignment. This is just where you go to submit your file. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, please let me know.